Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to start exercise 2C of chapter 2nd, that is fraction. So in question number 1, write down the reciprocal of these parts. So in first part, see 5 upon 8. In reciprocal, we have to convert denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. So here 5 upon 8 is given. So when we do reciprocal of 5 upon 8, it will be 8 upon 5. So 8 upon 5 will be answer. Now after this, see fourth part, 12 whole 3 upon 5. So 12 whole 3 upon 5 can be written as 3 into 5 into 12 will be 60. 60 plus 3, 63. So here 63, and when we will do 63 upon 50, reciprocal of 63 upon 5, it will be 5 upon 63. So 5 upon 63 will be answer. In this you can try second part and third part. So after this, see question number 2nd, simplify. In first part, 4 upon 7 divided by 9 upon 14. So 4 upon 7 divided by 9 upon 14. Here 4 upon 7, when we convert this division sign into multiplication sign, then reciprocal of 9 upon 14 will be done. So 9 upon 14 will be 14 upon 9. So as we know, reciprocal of 9 upon 14 is 14 upon 9. So after solving it, numerator will multiply by numerator and denominator will multiply by denominator. So here we can write 4 into 14 divided by 7 into 9. So by solving it, 4 into 14 upon 7 into 9, it will cancel by 2 times. So here it will be 4 into 2 divided by 1 into 9. So 4 into 2 will be 8 and 1 into 9 will be 9. So 8 upon 9 will be answer. Now see its third part. Here we have given 8 upon 9 divided by 16. So here 8 upon 9 divided by 16 upon 1. By converting this division sign into multiplication sign, it will be 1 upon 16. So as we know, reciprocal of 16 upon 1 is 1 upon 16. So here 8 will multiply by 1. So 8 into 1 upon 9 into 16. So by solving this, 8 will be cancelled by 1 time and it will be here 2 times. So 8 into 1 upon 9 into 16. So here 8 will be cancelled by 1 time and 16 it will cancel by 2 times. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So here it will be 1 into 1 upon 9 into 2. So 1 into 1 upon 9 into 2. So 1 upon 18 will be answer. So after this, see sixth part. Here we have given 3 whole 3 upon 5 divided by 4 upon 5. In solution, first of all, convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 whole 3 upon 5 can be written as 5 into 3 will be 15. 15 plus 3 it will be 18 upon 5. So here we can write 18 upon 5 divided by 4 upon 5. By converting this division sign into multiplication sign, 4 upon 5 will become 5 upon 4. As we know, reciprocal of 4 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. So here 18 into 5 divided by 5 into 4. By cancelling it, 18 into 5 upon 5 into 4. Here 5 will cancel by 5. So it will become 18 into 1 upon 4. We can again cancel it by 2. It will be 2 times and it will be 9 times. So here it will 9 into 1 upon 1 into 2. So 9 into 1 divided by 1 upon 2. 9 1 ja 9 and 1 into 2 will be 2. So here 9 upon 2 it will answer. We can also convert this 9 upon 2 into mixed form. So by converting it into mixed form, 2 4 ja 8 minus it will be 1. So 4 whole 1 upon 2 will be answer. So we can say 4 whole 1 upon 2 answer. After this, you can try these parts. In this, we have done some parts and some part you can try yourself. So these part you can try. So after this, next question. So after this, see question number 3. Here we have to divide. So first part, 11 upon 24 divided by 7 upon 8. So in this part, the above question can be written as 11 divided by 24 divided by 7 upon 8. So here 11 upon 24, convert this division sign into multiplication sign. It will be 8 upon 7, and by solving it, 11 multiply by 8 and 24 will multiply by 7. So 11 into 8 divided by 24 into 7. By solving it, 11 into 8 upon 24 into 7. We can cancel it by 3 times. 8 3s are 24. So it will be 11 into 1 upon 3 into, it will be 7. So by solving it, it will be 11 1 is 11 and 3 into 7 will be 21. So 11 into 21 will be answer. See its second part, 6 whole 7 upon 8 divided by 11 upon 16. So solution, the above question can be written as 6 whole 7 upon 8 divided by doing its reciprocal, it will be 16 upon 11. Converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 8 into 6 plus 7. So 8 into 6 will be 48 and 48 plus 7, it will be 55. So by converting it into mixed form, it will become 55 upon 8 into, it will become 55 here 16 upon 11. We can do its reciprocal. So by solving it, 55 will multiply by 16 and 8 will multiply by 11. So we can write it 55 into 8 into 16 divided by 16, 8 into 11, 8 into 11. So by solving it, it will cancel by 1 time and it will cancel by 2 time, it will cancel by 1 time and it will cancel by 5 time. So it will become 5 into 2 divided by 1 into 1. So 5 into 2 will be 10 and 10 upon 1, it will be 10 answer. So fifth part, 45 divided by 1 whole 4 upon 5. So by solving it, 45 divided by 1 whole 4 upon 5. So converting mixed fraction into improper fraction, it will be 45 divided by 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 will be 9. So 9 upon 5. So by solving it, 45 into 5 upon 1 into 9. We can cancel it by 5 times. So here 5 into 5 will be 25 and 25 upon 1. So 25 will be answer. So we can say answer is 25. So we can solve it. 45 divided by 1 whole 4 upon 5, it will be 1 whole 4 upon 5 will be 9 upon 5, and by solving it, answer will be 25. So in this way you can try other parts also. You can try all these parts. So after this, see next question. Now here we are having some word problems. So in question number 4, a rope of length 13 whole 1 upon 2 meter has been divided into 9 pieces of the same length. What is the length of each piece? That means we have one rope and the total length of that rope is 13 whole 1 upon 2 meter, and we have to divide it into 9 equal parts. So by dividing it into 9 equal parts, we can write here, first of all, from the question we have given rope's length, it will be 13 whole 1 upon 2 meter. It will, by converting it into improper fraction, 2 into 13 plus 1 will be 27 upon 2. So number of equal pieces divided into 9 parts. That means 9 we have to divide 27 upon 2 by 9. So 27 upon 2, by solving it, converting it into reciprocal, so 1 upon 9. So here 27 into 1 divided by 2 into 9. So 27, we can solve it, 27 into 1 upon 2 into 9. We can cancel it 3 times. So 3 into 1 upon 2 into 1. So 3 1 is 3 and 2 into 1 will be 2. So we can say 3 upon 2. By converting it into improper fraction, it will be 1 whole 1 upon 2 meter. Therefore we can say hence the length of 9 pieces of rope is 1 whole 1 upon 2 meter. After this, see question number 5. Fifth question you can try yourself. 18 boxes of nails weigh equally and their total weight is 49 whole 1 upon 2 kilogram. How much does each box weigh? So here you can divide 49 whole 1 upon 2 by 18. It is same as the above question. So after this, see question number 6. Here, by selling oranges at the rate of rupees 6 whole 3 upon 4 per orange, a man get rupees 378. How many oranges does he sell? That means we have given here cost of this one orange. Per orange means it is the cost of one orange, and we have to tell how many oranges he will sell at the rate of rupees 378. So according to this question, we have given cost of one orange 6 whole 3 upon 4. By solving it, 4 into 6 will be 24, 24 plus 3 27, 27 upon 4, and man get how many rupees? 378. Then so by finding number of oranges, we have to divide this 378 by 27 upon 4. So 378 upon 1 divided by 27 upon 4. 378 upon 1, converting this division sign into multiplication sign, it will be 4 upon 27 by doing its reciprocal. So here 378 into 1 divided by 1 into 27. So by solving it, by cancelling 378 into 4 upon 1 into 27. So here we can cancel it by, you can cancel, first of all you can cancel it by table of 3. As we know, 3 9 ja 27, and by cancel it 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 6 ja 18. Again we can cancel it by table of 3. It will be 3 times and it will be 42 times. Again we can cancel it by 3, 1 and 4. So it will be 14 into 4 upon 1 into 1. So 14 into 4 will be 56 upon 1, or simply we can say 56. So answer will be 56 oranges. Hence we can say man sold 56 oranges. So 56 will be answer. So after this, see next question. See question number 7. Mangoes are sold at rupees 43 whole 1 upon 2 per kg. What is the weight of mangoes available for rupees 326 whole 1 upon 4? So this question is same as the above question. You can try this question. Here also we have to do division. So after this, see question number 8. In question number 8 we have given Vikas can cover a distance of 20 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer in 7 whole 3 upon 4 hours on foot. We have to tell how many kilometer per hour does he walk. So we have given here two things. First of all, we have given this distance 20 whole 2 upon 3 and 7 whole 3 upon 4 hours. It is time. So distance and time we have given, and we have to tell how many kilometer per hour. That means we have to find its speed, or in 1 hour what is its distance he will cover. So in this we have given from the question distance covered by Vikas in 7 whole 3 upon 4 hours on foot. So converting it into improper, 4 into 7 plus 3. So it will be we have it by solving it into improper fraction. So first of all, it's 7 whole 4 upon 3 hours. It covers 20 whole 3 upon 2 upon 3 kilometer. So here 3 into 20 will be 60, 60 plus 2 will be 62 upon 3, and distance covered by Vikas in 1 hour. it will be 62 upon 3. We have to divide this by 31 upon 4. Here 4 into 7 plus 3 will be 31 and 31 upon 7. So it will be reciprocal, it will become 4 upon 31. That means 62 upon 3 into 4 upon 31. So by solving it, we can cancel it by 31 1 ja and 31 2 ja. So 2 into 4 will be 8 upon 3. So 8 upon 3, by solving it, it will be 8 upon 3. And by converting this 8 upon 3 into mixed form, 3 2 ja 6. So it will be 2 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer. Therefore we can say that distance covered by Vikas in 1 hour will be 2 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer. So it will be answer. We can say 2 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer will be answer. So it was all about your this exercise. See, in this we have covered almost all the exercises of this chapter, and last exercise is optional, so you can try that exercise yourself. That exercise is for practice. So it was all about your exercise. So your chapter is finished. So thank you for watching the video.